Here's a close-up look at this slow rising squishy bread. It is so satisfying to squish. I love the thickness of it, and the texture is really, really nice. The back of the bread is super realistic looking too, and it's really soft. I actually like the texture on the back of it. It's really soft, almost like skin feeling. And then the front is a little more shiny and a little bit more sticky feeling. They feel super nice. My kids love these things. We're going to be getting these for birthday presents for all their friends. Very, very satisfying. I love the slow rise texture. It's very, very cool. You should definitely get one of these.